Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on connection and sharing, and then click on personal hotspot. And now here you can turn on or off your personal hotspot. After turn on or off your personal hotspot, then go back and check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.